Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to add the device on the new Samsung Find app, which has been launched by Samsung itself. So Samsung Find is like the app. Samsung Find is like Find My iPhone app, which you use on an iPhone. So this is the type of app which helps you to find the lost device and also helps you to share your location with friends, families, and other people you trust to see where you are. So you just need to open the Samsung Find app on a device like this. So if you don't find it, you just need to go on Play Store and you just need to search it from here. So I have already installed it and I have already on my device. So you just need to open it and click on the option of continue. So you'll see the option of contact, location, and notifications. So I'm going to click on the option of continue. So here it says notification when someone views your location. So if you want to receive a location every time, you just need to click on the option of every time, once over 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. So select the option which you think is good for you. So and click on the option of next, and you just need to give all access to all of the things which Samsung asks for. So from here you just need to click on the option of plus like this, and from here you just need to select the person who you want to share with. So if you want to share with your friends or brothers or sisters, so you just need to search their name, and from here you may simply add the person like this and you'll be able to share it like this. Now to add a device, you just need to click on the option of device like this, and from here you will be able to see the three dots at the very top right. So if you click on the option of manage device, here if you have another device, then you'll be able to see it like this, and you just need to tap on it to add the device like this. So that's it. That's how you can add the device on Samsung. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.